everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach Blackpink 뚜두뚜두 remix. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then you're gonna step on your right leg again, and then you're gonna cross your arm like this. You go cross. And then you step on your left leg, you cross open to the front. Boom. You're going to go 7, 8. Okay, so you're gonna go boom and boom. So right stomp, right, left. Okay, so from the top 1 8 count, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, after this, we're going to go hit you with that 뚜두 뚜두 뚜두. Okay, one more time. Hit you with that 뚜두 뚜du 뚜du. Okay, so now let's put it all together. So we have stomp, stomp. Now we're gonna go cat, cat. Okay, so down, up, and then one more time. But now this time you go down together. Okay, and then you're gonna go chest open, in and open, in. And then when you open again, you're gonna open your hands and over your left leg, you go down. Okay, and you come up. Okay, so let's go from the stomp. 7, 8, hit you with that 뚜두 뚜두 open. 6, so head is here, and then we're going to go. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and the 7, and the 8, and 1, and 2, and the 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now from here you're gonna go down to the left, and then you are going to wave your body. So you go boom, and then you go down, and then you put your hips once, and then you whip your hair to the right, boom, switch leg, and then you do that one more time. So boom, boom. Okay, and then you're gonna move to the right. So now this time you're going to go boom. Hey. Starting from here, we're going to roll down, and then it's pretty slow here. So you go open, 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 and then your body chest go from the left to the right, boom, boom, and boom, boom, and boom, boom. So, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. You put down your hand. 7, and 8, and. Okay, so bring up your hands. So one more time. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And all right. Now we're gonna kick your right leg up, so you have to stay on your left leg. Here is an example. So we're gonna go boom. Okay. So kick it, and then you step on your right, boom, boom, and then you're gonna chest roll right to the left. 1 up, 1 down. Here you go. Boom, boom. Okay, and then we're gonna pop your right chest and pop your left chest, and then we're gonna bring up your hands, and then we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Okay, from here your hands go boom, 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 right? Now your head is gonna go boom this way. Okay, so look, open your right leg, boom, and then you're gonna cross away. We're going to go cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, and open 5, open 6, and 7, 8, and the 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, from here we're gonna go, our leg is going to go boom, 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 shimmer up. So you're doing this, doom, 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 and your hands is gonna come up like this and all the way till here. You have 8, you have 5 count to come up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your area. After that, you're going to go boom. So 1, you're going to go and 1. On 2, you're gonna open it up. 2, 3, and you're gonna come boom. So you have to breathe, chest out, and then come chest on 4. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then from here, boom, 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 boom. You have 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th count, you're gonna open again. 5th, 5. Okay? And then you're gonna swipe your hands to here and then go this way. So boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? Doom, doom, doom. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and I'm going to break down the last whacking part. So let's go from here. Boom. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so we're gonna do with doom, 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 hit. Okay, put the hands together. 6, 7, 8, the 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and then you're gonna whip. So now your body is twisted, right? You're gonna come to the front and then pull your body with the left leg. 1, 2, walk away. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, now let's go with the count from the top to the end. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and the 7, and the 8, and 1, and 2, and the 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and the 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.